G'day, welcome along to the next all-terrain adventure. I'm currently down south along the Blackwood region. We've got a local lad, Brad, showing us around. I've tacked on with Pete from West Australian Camping Adventures again. We are currently looking for another camping spot, but we came in last night and set up just in the forest, so I'll throw up a bit of footage now from the track in. Jared filmed a little bit for me as well from his buggy, which was cool. We are in the Sue's Bridge area as well, I believe, and the boys may have had a bit of a visit from something a little bit spooky last night. I slept like a baby, but those boys were ready for action, so I'll get Pete on later, he can explain that better, but for now we're just heading on to the next spot, so I'll see you when we get there. Cheers. So we're just making our way along this track now. That last bit wasn't as hectic as it was, but this clay is as slippery as all hell. So I'm just following the buggy through now, and Brad's showing us the way. So hopefully we have to use my winch. I haven't checked it in a while, but it's on the cards.
Fucking wild, man. I'm telling you, man.
What else would you expect camping in the Sue's region? You're going to walk it, are you?
Might as well. Oh shit,
yeah,
that's cold, dude.
She's cold, eh? Where does it go at the end?
Oh, that's soft under there, but hard bottom. Very. Oh, that's not rocky, dude. That's not rocky bottom.
Yeah, you're not even past the driveway yet. Get to the main property. Send us a postcard from the middle. Let me know what you reckon.
It's more because it goes left and right and keeps going.
Yeah.
Doesn't look too bad, eh?
Nah, it's just real slippery, but it's only slippery for about a minute. Oi. Oi.
Are you alright? Jared's sending it?
Jared's going to send it through, I think.
My feet are numb.
So we've just hit this water crossing that everyone's sort of a little bit cautious of. Pete's walked it. He's given us the 100% guarantee that it's all good and that Wacker's going to cover the bills if anything goes wrong, so. And the thumbs up to go with it.
I don't know what he just said.
So we're just going to duct tape all the parts up, and Jared's putting on his wet weather shoes to go through in the buggy. Yeah, he's going through in the buggy, isn't he?
What's he duct taping?
No, I'm just saying he's going to duct tape up the vents. He's got open doors.
Oh,
So you're taking all your shoes off so you can go through in your wet weather gear?
Yeah, that's it, mate. If you can just hit that at about 80, it'll be really good.
You'll coast across the top.
Aquaplane.
Like a Ferrari in Cannonball Run. So Jared's just going to send it through now and check the water out. He's probably the easiest vehicle to recover in case it does get boggy. Jesus, this mud is fucking slippery. There was a lot more involved when we got around the corner than what I first thought. Hopefully the camera got all that without drowning. So I was not expecting that.
I'll walk the last one. You can poke this one.
I've never seen you walk anywhere in your fucking life.
That's expected. No, like you say, you may as well. Like you say, you may as well go through. Like I said, you said you did say that. Oh. So you may as well. Okay. No, don't think about it. Just do it.
I did. So we're going to err on the side of caution on that track. It's just a little bit too sketchy right at the end, and obviously it's the deepest part that gets sketchy, and the mud is tacky as shit, so just wasn't prepared for a sort of winch challenge today at all. So we're going to turn around and find a bit better way out. I'm also hoping to splash Pete with mud. Alright, so the turnaround track was pretty deep. We got through it alright, but there's a lot of water out here. Everything's still cold and damp, and just clay. Everything just stays. Oh, the car's sideways now. Trying to crab walk through some holes. Perched myself in a bit of a spot I need to spin around from. But we made it through. Oh, I just got to turn around now and swap out with. Oh, I think I'm going this way now. I'm in the ruts. Quick stopover on our way through. We crossed over Adelaide Track, I believe it's called. It was rough as guts, and we could have easily lost a day on that one. So we've come around a main track and just crossed over this waterway here. I don't know if you can see that, but apparently this is the start of the Margaret River. we should be flowing all year from what they're saying. We'll get the drone up anyway. Yeah, you can feel the force. I actually think the cars would make it no worries.
Yeah, I think so.
But the buggy's going to get swept. And if it doesn't come out from under it, it's going to push it over.
But those intrusive thoughts of like picturing yourself, the whole car, everything you've worked for, going over there.
As soon as you lift your foot up, it's coming out from under you.
Pretty cool. Pretty cool though.
Yeah, cool. Maybe just go.
Yeah.
But me and you could go over and come back.
Like you said, you should just go.
We could go. I keep slipping as I'm talking.
That's wild, dude. That's wild.
I'm just saying we could go over and come back and tell the other guys what it's like.
Yeah.
Fucking hell. Need an anchor. Alright, so we're in the Blackwood National Park. We're looking for a camping spot. We were going to cross the river. There's a cracker spot on the other side, but the water's flowing a bit too quick, especially for the buggies. Not worth the risk, so we're just going to flow along now, find ourselves a spot, set up fire for the night, set up the swag, and sink a few beers. Tight fit.
Up there it looks worse. Down here it doesn't look like
He's 35 and make it look like nothing.
Yeah, I know.
Very little whiff. Freak! What are we calling it, Jazz?
Oh,
Yeah, what are you calling it?
Nah, don't put that on.
It's like a train. It's like a train wreck for the taste buds.
Countrywide morning mess, mate. That's what I... Oh,
Country-
shit, man.
The countrywide morning mess. Go on, take a bite so I watch you enjoy it.
Open the door.
All right, so that's it, guys. We've had a pretty awesome camp for last night. I believe you boys got a better sleep than the night before.
Oh, mate. What a difference it makes.
What, not having ghosts?
Yeah, just not having sort of you know, dogs, pigging dogs, I guess. I'm going to say it was because they're more angry. Do you feel? They're more ferocious.
So Jared had a visitor through the night pushing on his tent, and I believe you two had a little email conversation.
The old text conversation. I'll never have never ever have reception out in these joints, but
I had no reception. I had
woken up to a message saying, I think someone's here.
Yeah.
So my heart started going.
Yeah. And I slept like a baby.
Yes.
I just slept through the whole thing.
Slept through the whole thing too.
Wake up to a massacred tent because I was hiding on the side from everyone else. Your boys both stabbed in your fucking swags.
I don't know. I think it's something about the spot for me that I didn't like.
Yeah.
That didn't feel right for me.
But this spot, one of the best spots I've camped in ages.
Agreed.
And I really
what a
wanted
difference
to camp.
it makes, Jake.
Yeah, I've really wanted to camp on the Blackwood for a long time.
Have you always wanted to have an ant's nest in your...
That was a bonus.
Awesome.
They didn't make it through.
Happy accident.
Good swag. I'll do a rundown on my budget swag at some point.
Oh, you should.
And the ant
You
proofing.
should. It's an awesome setup, dude, for what you got, And you should compare it to other ones.
And also having a stretcher. I'll never go back.
No.
I don't know if that's like an age thing or what, but I like being able to step out.
And yours is faster to set up than mine is, because obviously I'm heavier.
Yeah,
And
mine
more,
just
more muscular and fitter.
More petite, petite, muscular,
Nah.
thick set lad. Mine,
Chalk and cheese,
yeah,
mate.
just pops up. So we're gonna climb out of camp now, but it's a very tight little campsite, which you would have seen. So we all got to like shimmy around. Pete's gonna go first up this wombat track. I reckon you're gonna get out of it no dramas.
I feel like I'll be all right, but I'll also make it look incredibly difficult. You guys be the judge of the two differences.
I actually just want to hear the V8 full noise through this fucking valley, bouncing up there, lifting wheels, bucking like a Bronco.
And just
but
end-to-end roll.
I know you're a lot more sensible than that, so.
The difference, eh? Oh.
Cut.
That's... Cut again?
Not good.
You're right, but I can still tell you're a fucking patrol owner.
What happened?
Oh, what happened? Yeah, mate, just freaking chop it up even more, why don't you?
I just want to see what the buggy can do. I'm in the market for a nice cheap buggy, and I want to see what they can do, and B, if one should happen to roll over, I'll buy it cheap.
How cheap you can get it with roll damage. Still feel sketchy or not as bad?
Not bad.
Ah, good. Not bad?
Nah, smooth.
Was it?
Smooth. Like I said, I think if anything, I leveled the track out for him. That's it for me, guys. I'm back on the blacktop now, so I've got a couple of hours, punch out home. If you've watched this far, thank you very much. If you like what you saw, give us a like, subscribe, all the stuff that helps me grow my channel. Much appreciated, guys. See you on the next one. Cheers.
Open the door. Open the door.
Oh, so this just goes to a piece of shit.
Go on, do another slow-mo.
Water's going to get underneath it and lift it, you know what I mean? Pounds per square inch, Pete's what you got to think about, mate.
Yeah, I know. Pete, look at that. I don't know.